What's up, all you YouTubers? Alright, my name is Deshaun. Um, I'm here at Coastal Truck Driving School. Today was my first day. Just want to give you a little update about how everything went. Well, first thing this morning, class started at 6 o'clock sharp. You will get a CDL manual. You will take a practice test, which is 11 chapters long. You will go over the whole CDL book. But the first day you will only get to 7 chapters. You will get a break at 8 o'clock. Break at about 10 o'clock. And you go to lunch at 11 o'clock. Now your 11 o'clock lunch break does last 1 hour. Remember, the 11 o'clock lunch break lasts 1 hour. You have to be back for 12 o'clock. Oh, wait up. Let me backtrack something. First thing in the morning, you will meet the site inspector. You will get a badge to badge yourself in and out. You have to badge yourself in once in the morning. You have to badge yourself out for lunch. You have to badge yourself back in for lunch, and you have to badge yourself out at 5 o'clock. Well, 4:55. The class is 10 hours a day. The class is 160 hours. After the first 40 hours, you get a 3-day break. You could go home, take care of your business, load up on some more food, some more cleaning supplies, wash your sheets and your blankets. You know, have fun with the wife, take care of the kids for a little while. But most of all, you want do some studying, man. Stay studying, bro, because don't take no minutes for granted while you're here. Remember, you are here on a mission, which is to complete your CDL training and obtain your Class A CDL driver's license with hazmat endorsement. That is, and yeah, man. You know, they give you, if you don't have nowhere to stay, they give you a cottage, which hold 4 men to a cottage. 2 beds in each room, which is a 2-bedroom cottage. The beds look similar to this little twin size bed. Get your little 10 size bed. Hold on, give me a second. Drop some. You get a little twin size bed. You get a standard size refrigerator. You get a zinc. You get a microwave, and you get a small television. Which it is real convenient if you stay as far as me and my roommate stays. You know, save some time on the sleep. You know, get you some good rest. You know, eat a good meal. You know, and just stay in that zone while you're here. You know, yeah, man. And no smoking in the dorms. No guns, no drugs, no drinks, as far as liquor. And no family members are allowed behind the administration office, which means no buns on the pad. Only Coastal Truck Driving School attendance is allowed in the back. But yeah, like I said, day 1 was good. It's in the books. You know, we watch 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 modules today. Looking forward to tomorrow, to getting it back started. Yeah, and our instructor, he was real good, real hands-on. Um, real cool. Very down-to-earth guy. Um, and yeah, man. If you're looking to go to truck driving school, bro, check out Coastal, man. Coastal. Let's hit that road, man. Coastal Truck Driving School. Alright, have a blessed day, man. Once again, this is Deshaun Lumar, aka the West Bank Trucker. Calling back. Peace, man.